Apple has filed a new patent with the United States Patent and Trademark Office this week that could soon see Apple Pencil sample colors from the real world. The patent outlines a computer stylus that may have a color sensor. The color sensor would house photodetectors to measure light from various color channels. The tech giant added that the color sensor functionality could either be at the stylus's tip or coupled to the tip via a light guide. The patent reads, the color sensor may have a plurality of photodetectors, each of which measures light for a different respective color channel. The color sensor may also have one or more light-emitting devices. The control circuitry may use the light-emitting devices to illuminate an external object while using the photodetectors to measure reflected light to determine the color of the external object. According to Apple, the color sensor could come in handy in other situations like calibrating printers and displays or making heath measurements. It would be able to sample a color from an object in the real world and recreate the color. This technology would open up a whole new world for possibilities for Apple devices, benefiting casual and professional users alike. The patent details many potential uses for the device. Color measurements from printed items. Colored objects, such as pieces of furniture, human skin and plants. Product photography, where accurate color reproduction is critical. For example, directly compare the colors depicted in online product shots with the original objects to make sure they match. As is always the case with patents, there's no guarantee that this concept will actually make it into production, but it's a clear indication that, when it comes to tablets, Apple looks set to pull even further ahead of the competition.